Note: this procedure applies to all high-current modules that require the customer to install RobyFix connector contacts. Using a hex key, remove the socket head cap screws that secure the fitting plate to the housing. Using a screwdriver, loosen the pan head screws on the inside of the fitting plate and slide the socket retainer away from the holes in the fitting plate. Locate and disassemble the RobyFix connector to gain access to the contacts. Route the cables from the RobyFix connector through the cord grips and push until hard stop. Note: for smaller diameter cables, remove the cord grip dome nut and insert the ATI supplied inner rubber grommet for a more secure fit. Push down on the socket retainer to secure the cables. Using a screwdriver, tighten the pan head screws on the inside of the fitting plate. Tighten to contact and then give an additional 1/8 of a turn. Note: socket retainer must be flush for assembly of the fitting plate to the housing. Using an appropriate tool, tighten the cord grip dome nuts one at a time, starting with the middle nut, to prevent cable movement in and out of the cord grips. Install the fitting plate to the housing. Ensure the terminals interface with the contact base studs. Apply Loctite 222 to the socket head cap screws. Using a hex key, install the socket head cap screws to secure the fitting plate to the housing. Tighten to torque specified in the product manual.